Hey friends, welcome to the monthly market review. We're going to take a look back at April, so here we go. Last month in April, the S&P experienced its first 5% pullback since October of 2023. This wasn't surprising since the market had advanced well over 20% since then, and prices were starting to get a little bit rich. Tech actually underperformed the overall market, and it's a good reminder of why we diversify. Now let's talk about the expectations annually with regard to pullbacks and corrections. A pullback is a 5% decline in the market, and a correction is a 10% decline in the market. We expect 3 pullbacks on average every calendar year. We expect 1 10% correction every single year, 10 to 15%. So this first pullback of 2024 of 5-6% is very normal, very welcomed, and actually helpful as the market consolidates. Attention is now focused back on earnings where it should be, and the results should reassert the market's upward momentum. Now with the economy, fears of reaccelerating inflation have called into question whether the Fed will make good on its promise to cut rates throughout the year. The expectation of 6 or 7 rate cuts was down to 3, and now we're down to 1 or 2 rate cuts. The bottom line, we will not have a rate hike. We think the next move will be a rate cut. And that is because inflation, we believe, will continue to drift down. The bottom line, there's a lot of uncertainty. There's always a lot of uncertainty. Inflation, the Fed, international conflicts, and we just had a we just had a pullback at 5%. Within that, our outlook for the next 12 months remains very strong. And thank you for taking the time to check in with our monthly market update. We'll see you next time.